Let's remove lock and hard reset this Oppo F3. As you can see, this device is pattern locked. Let me show you in recovery mode. I am booting it in recovery mode by holding volume down and power button. Let's try resetting the device through recovery mode. Seems like it needs pattern too. Now switch off the device. Turn on your computer. Download necessary files from description of this video and extract it. Install MediaTek driver by running install drivers.bat file. Press any key to install. Run Miracle Box Crack from extracted folder.
In the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
Under MTK tab, Service. Select Format. Select 8th boot. Select Oppo F3.
Barrel waiting for the
Uncheck Safe Mode. Check Advanced. Press Start button.
to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
free. Hold both volume up button and volume down button and connect USB to the mobile. If this error occurs, stop the process and close the application. Then install Virtual Serial Port application and run it. Make sure selected ports are COM1 and COM2 and press Add Pair. Now run Miracle Box again and repeat the process same as before. When Select Lock tab appears, make sure to check FRP and user data and then press OK. The device is reset successfully. Now boot up the device and have patience. It might take up to 10 to 15 minutes. When it boots up, complete the setup process.
All emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion.
There you go, password is removed. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like.